everybody, I'm here today to do an unboxing and review of this Apocabox. This is the April 2018 Apocabox, and the theme of this Apocabox is Silent Hunter. Now, for those of you that don't know, the Apocabox is a bi-monthly survival-based subscription box, and I really like it because, not a lot of money goes into the pamphlets and the brochures and stuff, and that means that more money is actually going to go into the actual good stuff, the contents of the Apocabox, the stuff that you really want to see. So with that being said, let's get right into the unboxing. This is the contents list. I'm going to take this, I'm going to place it to the side right here, and then I'm going to be unboxing the contents, placing them over here and sort of telling you what they are as I remove them. Now, for full disclosure, I actually already opened the Apocabox, first and foremost because I was really excited for what was inside of it, and secondly, just so I could get a preview of what I would be explaining and unboxing. All right, without further ado, let's get right to it. These are actually paper targets. As you can see, they're paper targets. Really awesome. I like the coloration of them. I like the design. And you can use these paper targets with the thing that I'm about to show you next. Let's dig right into it. I actually already opened it up because I was so excited for this. This is actually a torque slingshot from Simple Shot. Now, as you can see, it's a very simple design. I'll just remove it. It's awesome because you can use it if you're left-handed or if you're right-handed. It's small enough that you can easily throw it into your bag, and it has this nice little carrying rope over here to make it nice and easy to carry. It just feels absolutely awesome, and it definitely seems like it's really good and also at the same time easy to use and easy to get the hang of. So once again, you can use those targets with this slingshot right over here. Moving forward, what we have over here are these spinner targets. So right here you can see we have these two spinner targets. These are the rubber ones. Okay, we have rubber ones right over here, and then we also have fabric ones. Here's one of them, and I'm going to find the other one. Should be right over here. So these are the fabric spinner targets, and these are also just as awesome as the rubber ones, and they're very versatile. These spinner targets are great because they're so versatile. You can use them in so many different situations and so forth. What we have next is the bait snare over here. So what's cool about the Apocabox is that they give you a survival skills challenge, and they give you the things to use for the survival skills challenge. So this right here, this bait snare skills kit, you can use for the survival skills challenge. And it's great because it gives you something to do. It hones in on your survival skills, and they give you exactly what you need, which is absolutely awesome. And once again, the pamphlet, the instruction manual, very simple, and not a lot of money gets funneled into this. More money gets actually funneled into the cool stuff, the good stuff. I mean, when you get a subscription box, you don't want a lot of money being funneled into, pamphlets and brochures. You want more money being funneled into the actual items in the box. What we have here is a pocket field guide. Another cool thing about the Apocabox is that you always get a pocket field guide. Now this one right here is for the survival slingshots pocket field guide. They're great because they're so small you can throw them inside of a bag of yours. You can bring them out in the wilderness with you, and they're really quick and easy to read. Meaning you read this relatively quickly and you can get all the information, and it contains some very, very essential information for using slingshots in a survival situation. What we have here are some powdered balls that you can use for the slingshot. Continuing on, we have some metal ones that you can use for the slingshot. Just as you can see right there, once again, I'm doing my best to sort of give you the best view of them. The camera's really adjusting a lot and the glare is pretty bad, but I'm doing my best here. Now what we have here is a bonus project. Now this bonus project is to make a shepherd's sling. As you can see right here, it's just basically a nice small piece of leather that you can use as a bonus project. And that's what I like about this Apocabox. You're not just getting something that you can take and put to the side. You're getting stuff that you can do to actually improve on your survival skills, right? That's one thing that I really, really love. Now last but not least, there are actually two items here. One of them is inside of this. Now right here we have the canvas belt pouch. So as you can see on the back of this, you can actually put this through your belt right over here. So you can put your belt through, you can put this around your belt right over here. And then you can see it has these two compartments, really easy to open up. You just turn this and you can open it up, put whatever you need in there. And then once again, the same thing goes with the larger compartment. Now inside of it, we have an interrupted pattern diamond bench stone. Now I'm going to open this up. It's actually really cool. So there's actually an elastic around it. We're going to remove the elastic and we're going to open it up, and you can see right here you have some awesome stones that you can use for honing in and sharpening and so forth. They're really, really awesome. Check that out. I mean, they feel really cool, and I'm certain that they're going to be really, really effective, because everything that I've received in an Apocabox has been super effective and super useful. I mean, this stuff is not to just leave, you know, on display somewhere. This stuff is there for you to use, and that's one thing that I really, really like about it. And that's basically it. In this video, I just wanted to do an unboxing and review, and I'll just put the stuff back in here, of this Apocabox. Once again, it's the April 2018 Apocabox, and I hope that you have truly enjoyed this video. If you liked the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.